Alright, good morning. Yes, ako po si Kiko Javier and we have a very important training. Okay, this is good news. Actually, nagiging mas madali po yung ating expansion at ating pag-share nitong business na to because of this. Another great feature na meron po tayo sa ating Supreme Wealth Alliance system. Ito po yung tinatawag na activation codes, no? So, yun po yung pag-aaralan natin ngayon. Paano ba gagamit ng activation code? Paano magpa-activate ng member using activation codes? Okay, so once we log in to our account, puntahan po muna natin yung e-wallet natin. Okay? Ayan. So, make sure po, meron tayong $55 para makabili ng activation code. So, kung titignan nyo po rito sa account ko, meron pa akong balance sa $295 at pwede ako makabili ng 5 activation codes, no? So, ganito lang po kasimple yan. I-click nyo lang po ito. Sa transaction type, pag-click nyo, piliin nyo po itong sa baba, purchase activation codes. Then, isulat dyan kung ilang activation codes yung bibili nyo. Okay, so, and if you click submit, ito po ang lalabas. Actually, kanina po, when I was trying, nakabili na po ako ng isa, no? Yan mismo ang lalabas. One activation code, $55, no? So, after that, asa na activation code? Pumunta po tayo dito. Activation codes. Click lang po yan. Ayun, nakalagay po dyan yung security pin at yung user ID. Take note of this ID and pin. Ito po yung papagamit natin dun sa incoming member. Okay, yung bagong papasok, kailangan ibigay nyo po itong dalawang batch of numbers na to. Okay, so mag-example po tayo actual. Alright, so meron po tayong sa sign up. Okay, pinayagan po ako na gawin ito ng aking kaibigan. Isa-sign up po natin yung kanyang prospect. Napapasok na po, ano? So, assuming gagamitin ng security pin o yung activation code na we just purchased. By the way, hindi po limited ang activation code sa sariling downline. Okay? It could be your crossline, it could be your upline, it could be anybody. No? So, pwede pong ipagamit yan kahit kanino. Kaya nga po, pakiingatan din. Alright, so ito po yung account ng aking bagong pasok na member na si Ma'am Sonia. Okay, she's from Australia actually. Sonia Luberio, one of our very good leaders from Australia. Okay, so ang gagawin lang po sa choose payment option, piliin po yung pinakailalim, activation code real time. Wow, ang sarap po niya. Real time meaning walang waiting period. Walang 24 hours, walang 48 hours, real time. Okay, so sample na natin. Click activation code, then click submit. Alright, so lalabas po dyan yung pangalan ng sponsor. Okay, of course, si Sonia Loberio. Then, ilagay na po natin yung username ng ating bagong member na papasok. So, gusto ko po actual na sample. Makita nyo po, ano? Okay, ano po yung pangalan? Maria Taylor, she's also from Australia. Alright, then the email, yung member's email, the password. Alright, ayan, dito na po hihingi na po yung user ID and security pin. Yun po yung una nating nakita nyo po kanina, no? So, which is sinulat ko na rin po. So, this is the user ID and this is the security pin. Okay, then click submit. Bilang po tayo ng 3 seconds and thank you for submitting your payment. Okay, it will say here it will be verified, pero sa totoo po it's already activated. Okay? So, maraming salamat po and hope to see you sa susunod po na training video. God bless everyone.